Hi guys, it's John again, and this is a very quick video just to let you know that the Redlight Scarlet Chains rebate has begun today. And if you check out the link, I'll put this in the description as well, you can basically check your wallet to see if you are indeed eligible for a refund. So once you've checked your wallet in the sheet, just do a Control F to find your wallet and see if it's listed. You'll then be able to log on to the following site, which is rebate.scarletchains.finance, and you'll be presented with this. Connect your wallet up, and this is going to tell you exactly how much you are owed for the rebate. So you can see here, I've got 645 USDT in total. It tells you all the details about your chains and the Redlight node district from many moons ago, and it just tells you exactly what you've done and exactly what you're owed back out the system. Now, there are some discrepancies, I believe, but they are looking into those at the moment. But all that you need to know basically is that you can now claim your first month rebate. So they've got 171,000 total in the pool for this month, and each user is going to get an exact same amount of $22.94. So I'm going to click on claim now, and we're going to see what happens. So your claim amount for this month is $22.94. Would you like to proceed? Yes. So we're just going to check my wallet here. Okay, so we've got a transaction hash there. I will just copy that, stick it somewhere useful, just in case we need it. So I'm just going to check, like I say, my assets here and see what's going on. Okay, there we are. I have got my usdt-r here. So now what I could do is go to the dawnswap.finance site. So once you're on the Dawnswap website, what we can do is go to the bridge and connect our wallet up. Make sure you're the right way round. So we're going from usdt-r to USDT. So let's just make sure that's selected. Select on max. You can see here there's a $2 fee, so you're going to end up with just $20 afterwards. Now you may want to allow this to build up and just do a refund after a couple of months, just to avoid having to pay $2 every single month. But yeah, you click on send and it will go through the bridge and it will end up in your Binance wallet or your Binance network as standard USDT. So that's it. I just wanted to let you know that is now available. So hopefully everyone will get what they are owed by the end of it. I'm not sure how long this is going to run for, but I guess that could take a short while. If we're doing it from mine alone, 645, and I got, say, $22 per month, it could take 29 months to get the full amount back. But to be honest, at least they are actually refunding people, as long as this continues, obviously. So as long as people do get their money back, because people have put a lot more money into this than I did, that is the main thing at the end of the day. So I hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.